today we're showcasing the UniFi G4 Dome camera. Now this video is to show off the UniFi G4 Dome camera, which is part of the UniFi Protect range. We're going to do a bit of an unboxing to see what's inside and to give you a bit more of an overview of the product. So stay tuned. All right, let's dive in. We've obviously got the G4 Dome inside, and then underneath everything we've got all the other additional information. You've got stand here to get started. Underneath here you've got more of a mounting template. You've got the guide with a level on the top there to make sure everything's level, and then you've also got the guidelines on the back here. So make sure you do flip everything over just to make sure you've got everything. You got instruction manual, safety notices, and then you've got all your screws and bolts and everything that you need to mount the G4 Dome. So that's awesome. I'm just going to pack this away. All right, now that everything's away, we can focus directly on the G4 Dome. Now have a look at this. It's actually smaller than you think. It just fits in the palm of my hand. And as I'm moving it around here, I just want to give you a bit more information about the casing. It's actually made out of a mixture of alloy, polycarbonate. It's actually got a nice hard coating on it. It's nice and smooth. It's made and built tough. It has a waterproof enclosure and a rating of IPX4 to help protect it from any splashing, or really rain protected. So if you are mounting this device outside, peace of mind that if it does get rained on, then it's still going to have work perfectly fine. It also comes with an impact resistant rating of IK08 to help it protect the G4 Dome from any potentially unwanted impacts. So you can have peace of mind, if something hits it, you may have a bit of a debris, then it's definitely durable enough to do that. As I take off this dome here, I just want to show you this. It's also got these two little rubber strips. Now these are actually helping the water resistance on the camera lens. Now while I've got this off, let's have a look at the camera itself. It's a 4 megapixel sensor on the front, and it captures video at 24 frames per second. The viewing angle on this one is 102.4 degrees. So it's actually got a decent viewing angle. So no matter where you place it in where you want to protect and view, you got a decent viewing angle on there as well. I'm just going to put that back on. Now if you flip this one over, underneath you've got all the information you need to get this sorted. But just in this little nook here, fairly standard, you've got your little rubber part where you can hide your Ethernet in. And as you can see here, this is our Ethernet in, and that is powered over PoE. So just standard PoE, so if you've got a PoE enabled switch and that passes PoE on, then you can power up the UniFi G4 Dome. The max power consumption on this particular one here is only 5 watts, so that's perfectly fine. And on the front here, you've got actually a few microphones and a speaker, so you can have a two-way conversation. So no need to go down to seeing the person. You can actually just help them get into where they need to go, or you can have that two-way conversation with the people that you're potentially viewing through the camera. Now this is managed by UniFi Protect application, so if you've got that on your mobile device, or if you've got a UniFi OS console that supports UniFi Protect, then this is definitely one you can look at and start managing through. Now we will cover off how to adopt and configure the G4 Dome in a separate video, so keep an eye out for that one there. But right now, in the Leader Dealer Shop, we have stock available in all of our 5 locations. So jump onto the Leader Dealer Shop and pick one up or start selling. I hope this video has been informative, and just wanted to say thank you very much for joining me today. Thanks again.